Put it on air. If Nnamdi Kanu is there today, if government of Nigeria will kill Nnamdi Kanu, trust me, normalcy will start coming. And that's all what every Igbo man prays for. Now again, for you to unconcur to what he's saying, government cannot do it all. And that's why I'm agitating again. If we know where our problem is coming, we can find the solution.
The name of this man is Chigozie Nnabugo, and I'm ashamed to admit that he is an Igbo man. It is always an Igbo man who proudly comes on air to call for the execution of his fellow Igbo. Or the Igbo Mute, or the Mute. How can you, in a good conscience, knowing the sacredness and sanctity of life, call for the extrajudicial of a freedom fighter, even if you do not agree with his beliefs or his approach? This is not only insensitive and inhumane, but also callous and an example of pure wickedness in its most extreme form. Even while Fulani bandits are kidnapping people, buying them and extorting their families, you can see how some of their leaders, such as Sheikh Gumi, have publicly spoken in their defense. Sunday Igboho, a Yoruba freedom fighter, is today working free as an active non-state actor. Yet your own brother was arrested and incarcerated unjustly. All you can see is that he should be executed. Nnabugo nyere megbuo gị. Pwa! Wozu. Agamuta nwoke. Leenụ ya. Ibruvura. Nnabugo, let me make something clear to you. Without the fierce emergence of Maazi Nnamdi Kanu, ị gaara eri ndị Igbo. Do you even know how much communities across Southeast, especially in Enugu and Ebonyi State, once lived in fear of Fulani herders kidnappers? It was only after the intervention of Maazi Nnamdi Kanu's ESN many believe that their activities were disrupted. Do you know that those bandits were often accused of disguising themselves as Biafran agitators and operating with impunity in rural communities, spying victims who could not meet ransom demands? Many criminals pretended to be Biafran agitators so they could carry out kidnappings, spyings, and other crimes without people knowing who they really were. Because of this, many innocent Igbo people have suffered and have been blamed for crimes committed by these criminal gangs who took advantage of a genuine political movement for their own selfish interests. Mugu! The security problem in the Southeast is not just about the Biafra agitation. It is also about kidnappers, bandits, and other criminal groups that have used the Biafra name as a cover for their illegal activities. Our people would cry out to the soldiers, but they would simply look the other way. Of course, many believed those criminals were their brothers, so nothing was done. Zilch, nothing. This made the crisis much more complicated and caused pain and suffering for many innocent people. It took Maazi Nnamdi Kanu to enter the scene and change the narrative. Nnabugo, you speak as though killing Maazi Nnamdi Kanu would suddenly solve all the problems that gave rise to the Biafra agitation. It will not erase the feelings of injustice, years of neglect, marginalization, or the complaints that many people have had for decades. But Maazi Nnamdi Kanu agagaun, he shall not die. I believe he will come out victorious, and those who oppose him will be put to shame. Ask questions about those who masterminded the arrest and transfer of Kanu from Kenya to Nigeria. Where are they today? Maazi Nnamdi Kanu bụ onye amụma. Anyị isi ya agaghị ala n'agha. Ashashi. Nweghị ihe ọzọ m ga-agwa gị. Gaa taa ala kpuo kpuchie ọnụ gị. When a man cooks for the community will finish the food and ask for more. But when the community cooks for a man, I have nothing more to say. No. Don't forget, if your children do not know how to speak Igbo or solve mathematics properly, bring them into my academy. If you want Japa or a defined solution concerning Japa things, come, I did for you. If you want to learn how to create content and edit videos, I am also here for you. If you also want to learn AI content, come, I did for you. We have lands available for sale across Igbo regions. Send me a DM.